Welcome back to my channel, where today we explore one of the most mind-blowing creations in automotive and luxury living, the 2026 Bugatti New Luxurious Motorhome. This masterpiece is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of opulence, power, and engineering brilliance. Bugatti has taken its unmatched expertise in performance cars and fused it with the ultimate in mobile luxury living. And the result is unlike anything the world has seen before. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome commands attention with its signature horseshoe grille seamlessly integrated into an aerodynamic front fascia. The body design blends the sleek aggression of a hypercar with the elegance of a luxury yacht. Its sculpted lines and flowing contours not only enhance visual appeal but also improve aerodynamics, ensuring smooth handling for a vehicle of this size. The dual-tone paint options, premium chrome accents, and hidden paneling for storage and utilities add to the flawless finish. Massive alloy wheels with carbon ceramic brakes peek from under the well-defined arches, while adaptive LED matrix headlights give it a futuristic and commanding presence. Day or night. Performance is where Bugatti refuses to compromise. This motorhome is powered by a custom-tuned hybrid powertrain inspired by Bugatti's W16 heritage, producing a staggering output well above 1,200 horsepower. Despite its size, it accelerates with the confidence and smoothness you'd expect from a high-performance Grand Tourer. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, giving you a stable and comfortable ride whether you're cruising on highways or navigating tighter city streets. Advanced torque vectoring ensures that power is delivered precisely where it's needed, maximizing both efficiency and performance. The all-wheel drive system, paired with active aerodynamics, provides unmatched stability and handling, making this luxurious giant feel surprisingly nimble. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of breathtaking. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome offers an environment that rivals five-star hotels, with every surface crafted from premium materials: a hand-stitched Italian leather, high-gloss walnut, carbon fiber accents, and brushed aluminum details. The spacious lounge area features plush seating, a retractable OLED entertainment wall, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with natural light. The bedroom area includes a king-size bed with silk bedding and ambient lighting for ultimate relaxation. A fully equipped kitchen with marble countertops and high-end appliances ensures fine dining experiences on the go. Every detail, from climate control to lighting, is fully customizable via an intuitive digital interface. Bugatti has also equipped this motorhome with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system is powered by the latest AI-driven software, offering seamless integration with personal devices, navigation, and entertainment options. Safety is paramount, with a suite of driver assistance features including 360-degree cameras, lane assist, collision prevention, and adaptive cruise control. The 2026 Bugatti New Luxurious Motorhome is not just about traveling, it's about experiencing the journey in a way that blends supercar performance with unmatched comfort and elegance. It's a rolling palace for those who demand the absolute best, and it proves once again that Bugatti knows no limits when it comes to redefining luxury and performance. If you want, I can also make the trending YouTube description, keywords, hashtags, related searches, and disclaimer for this video so it's fully ready for publishing. That would make it go viral faster.